We're in this area of Prague, no, where there are a lot of tourists. There's a statue there, no? Tanongin pa namin kung anong statue yan. There's a castle there. But a lot of people, no, milling around. Weather is generally fine. Hindi masyado malamig. Then you have a structure here. Ito, ganda. Then you have Hannah there, finding her way out. So, ang dami. Huh? Ang daming mga food stalls here you can buy. Kung plano kong bilhin yung hotdog. Iba talaga yung European hotdog siguro. Let us have this structure again. No? Ano to? I'll research on this, no? In the internet. Historic na structure. So we arrived here in Prague almost 6 p.m. no? Last night. We proceeded to the hotel. We had dinner in a Vietnamese restaurant. Something na comfortable. Sensitive pa naman yung stomach ko with when I travel. So at least I have recovered, no? Hindi natin, no? Festive yung atmosphere. Holy Week here. But as we check online, yung Czech Republic pala is 50% here are non-believers. Before kasi they have 90% Christians at the turn of the century, and suddenly maraming naging what is that?
Yo estoy estudiando ese tipo de vainas, la deformación elástica de los materiales
Old way of
¿Tú has visto las? ¿Cómo se llaman? ¿No tú has visto las que son de